What's going on, my GoPro Hero friends? Hope you're having a great day and hope you're enjoying your GoPro Hero camera as much as I am. Loving it for using the time warps for my hike, the time lapses for the sunsets, and just in general using it for my videos for my YouTube channel. Obviously, there's a lot of different accessories that you can use, but if you are especially looking to use the adapter for your microphone, then that is something that you want to try and make nice and clean and organized. I've tried and I've got a nice setup that has worked well, but I've got introduced to other accessories as well and making it even cleaner. And today, looking forward to sharing with you how you can use your microphone, the adapter, and your GoPro Hero camera with a simple product as this adapter piece. I connected with the gentleman who developed this with a 3D printer and came up with this awesome adapter piece. I will put a link where you could get more information and read what other people have to say about it, but hopefully my video will be of help to you. Very, very cool, very lightweight. This is the box that it came in. So nice box, signed by 3 wise men. Yes, indeed. Now, this mount will only work with the original GoPro Hero housing. I did try it on other housing, it won't, and it'll only work, from what I understand, with the 5, 6, and 7. So if you have the 3 or 4, it won't work, but if you got the 5, 6, and 7, I've got the Hero 7 Black, and it works. So let me show you how it works. Very simple and yet so effective. So first of all, with your camera, you're going to have to take the side door off. It's too bad that you have to take it off. I'd rather keep it on, but you've just got to remove that and it comes off easily. So you put that into your housing and there you go, like that. And I love this grip, by the way, works fantastic. I will put a link to this grip. So next thing, you want to put the housing, very simple to do. It's got an arrow and all you do is slide this in. Let me get, there you go. And it just locks in place and it just sits. So you can see I'm shaking it, it's staying in place. Next up, what you're going to do is you are going to take the adapter piece and you are gonna slide it in like that. And then you just hook that up to your camera. I mean, look how cool is that? Now you could take your Rode microphone. This is the Video Micro Rode microphone, very popular. And this just slides right in. And voila, you have now a nice microphone clean setup. Then you just plug this in and look at that. How sweet is that? You can even just go like this on the back. And now, how awesome is this? On my other setup, I had so many different parts and it just made it interesting. I used Velcro. Now, the only thing with this, which I wish addition that I could do, is use a light. I had another light, but it doesn't seem to fit. It just fits the piece for the microphone, and that's okay. So what's also nice is the windshield is high enough now, so when you're shooting your video, it's gonna stay out of the way of your video picture. In fact, let me go ahead and turn it on just to show you. So there you can see on the back, it is, you don't see the windshield at all. So, I mean, this is a really nice setup. It makes it nice and organized and it looks really cool and professional. So you could see it's staying in place. Let me see if I can shake a little bit more. It is locked in place, good. And it's also really lightweight, so it's not gonna drag any weight to it. So I love it. It is fantastic. Look at that setup, nice and clean. And what you could do with a light maybe is you could Velcro, and I have this LED light. You could possibly Velcro this to the side, and I might try that. So if you needed a light as well. Actually, I was just thinking about that. There's a place where I could Velcro this and this would snap right in place, and then you can have this kind of setup. So I'll put a link to this light as well. So wow, I love it. So definitely check it out. I just think that the guys that made this, awesome. Congratulations. Wish you a lot of luck. with sales, and let me know if you're using this yet, how it's working for you. But check it out, guys. This is definitely a winner. Nice job. All right, take care. Thanks for watching, and have a enjoyable day using your new GoPro setup with your microphone. Take care.